Alrighty, let's talk oil and balm. When it comes to beard care, I keep it simple, no flashy bottles or synthetic junk, just clean, purposeful ingredients that actually do something. I started using my own blend of beard oil and balm under the brand Time and Melody because firstly, I want to honor my little girl. And secondly, I wanted to use something that checked all the boxes. So today, I'm breaking down the exact ingredients I use and why they matter. Let's start with the oil. This is your foundation, hydrating the skin underneath, softening your beard, and helping it grow healthier. Jojoba oil is one of the closest things to your skin's natural oil. It balances without clogging. There's argan oil, which it adds moisture and shine, and it's rich in antioxidants. There's sweet almond oil, which is soothing and helps reduce irritation or beard dandruff. Castor oil, it helps stimulate hair growth and adds thickness. Then I blend in essential oils that do more than just smell good. There's sweet orange, which brightens the skin and it lifts the mood. Then I add a couple of other essential oils to help with circulation and skin clarity. No filler oils, no water, just pure nourishment. The balm is where control meets conditioning. It's got just the right texture. It's not too waxy, not too greasy. The beeswax, it gives structure, helping tame flyaways and hold shape. The shea butter deeply conditions and smooths the hair. Jojoba and castor oils help keep the beard soft and healthy, working with the balm to lock in moisture. Then there's lanolin, which adds a protective barrier and gives a thicker look to your beard. When it comes to the scent, I kept it natural and subtle with cedarwood, sweet orange, and vanilla essential oils. No overpowering cologne. And then I added vitamin E to help keep the hair strong and support healthy growth. At the end of the day, I wanted something that I could trust. No shortcuts, just ingredients that actually work for my skin, my beard, and my lifestyle. So with all that said, Time and Melody, it was born out of the need to honor my daughter and to actually bring real purpose to everything I make and that I share. Now, whether you're just starting your beard journey or you've been growing your beard for years, what you put into your beard matters. So if you're curious about trying it out, links are below. There's also washes and coffee, so definitely check that out. If this video helped, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real world grooming and adventure content. God bless.